In this video, we will study about trigonometric ratios. There are two types of trigonometric ratios, primary ratio and secondary ratios. So first we will study about the primary ratios. Now there are three types of primary ratios, that are sine, which is in short called sine, S-I-N. Second is cosine, in short we study as cos. And third is tangent, and in short we study as tan. So three primary ratios are sine, cos and tan. Now let us see each of them one by one. For this we will define one right angle triangle, let it be ABC, in which angle B is 90 degree and angle A and angle C are acute angles, unknown acute angles. Let us define two angles here. One is X and other is theta. Theta is the new angle for you. It is called theta, T-H-I-T-A, theta. Now, for this triangle ABC, where angle B is 90 degree and angle C, which is theta, these two are the base angles. Both are lying on the base, so they are called the base angles. So whenever we study the ratio of trigonometry, we have to make sure that we define those ratio only for the base angles. Here X is our vertical angle, not the base angle. So we will study the primary ratios sine, cos and tan for the base angle theta. Now I define one more triangle here, the same triangle, on which I will show you where are these ratios existing for the triangle ABC. Here, let us see the point A. At this point A, where the perpendicular and hypotenuse of the right angle are joining, in this triangle, right triangle ABC, we have perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. So point A is the junction point where perpendicular and hypotenuse are joining. So this point defines sine. That means sine is the ratio of perpendicular and the hypotenuse. Similarly, this point C is the junction point of the base and hypotenuse. So point C is the junction point which defines the ratio cosine or the cos. So cos is the ratio of base and the hypotenuse. Also, this point B, which is the junction point of perpendicular and the base. The point B, junction point of perpendicular and the base, defines the ratio tangent. So let me repeat. The point A, where perpendicular and hypotenuse are joining, defines the ratio of sine. Point C, which is the junction point of base and hypotenuse, is called cosine. And the point B, where perpendicular and base are joining, it defines the ratio tangent. And all these three ratios are defined for the base angle theta. Now in these base angles B and C, where B is 90 degree, already known angle, but theta is the unknown angle. So we study the ratio for the unknown base angle. So we will define sine for the base angle theta, that is sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Similarly, cos for the base angle theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, and tan for the base angle theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So sin theta is equal to P upon H, cos theta is equal to B upon H, and tan theta is equal to P upon B is the ratio of sin, cos and tan, which are the primary ratios. Now to learn this, we can use a very interesting method. You can make here a 3x3 grid. And you can write these letters here: P, B, P, H, H, B, S, C, T. Now here P for perpendicular, base is by B, and H is the hypotenuse. Perpendicular, base, perpendicular, hypotenuse, hypotenuse, base. S, C, T are sin, cos and tan. Now to learn this, sin theta is equal to P upon H, cos theta is equal to B upon H, and tan theta is equal to P upon B. And to learn this, we have a very interesting slogan here: पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले, सोना चांदी तोले. I repeat, पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले, सोना चांदी तोले. And in this way you can learn this in a very interesting way.